ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिहे शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातानयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone to the class. see.
Rajesh, Lavanya will be joining in like a few seconds here.
Okay. So I was looking for that. Okay. So Vasu, can you do the 31st chapter today?
Sure.
Okay, and Lavanya Swami, when she comes, I was going to have her do it. Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll have Vani, you can be student today. And Anandji, you can be student today. Okay.
Like the second one, the Sriya varla, but I'll try.
In the second stanza.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, no worries. You go ahead.
Pritya daityaha tavatanu प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि त्वम् आराध्यन् अदितरचयन् अंजलिं संजगात मत्तः किं ते समिभिलषितं विप्रसूने वदत्वं वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये
second line is Tvam Aradhyan. Okay. Tvam Arad, not Tvam. Okay. And then there was something.
Oh, Tvam Aradhan. Okay, sir.
All right. No, go ahead. Yeah. There was something else, but I forgot to.
Idu tapasana vittam bhaktam bhavanam avanim vapi sarvam pradasye.
The vapi kapram, there is a pause, right? So vittam bhaktam bhavanam avanim vapi sarvam.
Pause.
Okay.
Okay, na adu mark pannala, sorry.
Okay,
Tamaksheenam baligiram upakarnya karunya purnopi asyotsekam sam இந்த வார்த்தை தான் சமயுதம்
शमयितुमना
अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादात्रय परिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहि तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
And the fourth line, dehiti tu. And the ti and tu.
Oh, solaliya na tu. Okay.
Dehiti tu. You said the tu, you didn't say the ti.
Okay, perfect. Sarvam dehi tu nigadite.
Dehiti tu.
Okay. Sarvam dehi ti tu nigadite. Correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Kasya hasyam na vasyat vishvesham mam tripadimiha kim yachase balishastvam sarvam bhumim vrine किममुनेत्यालपत्वं सदृप्यं यस्मादर्पा त्रिपदि परिपूत्य क्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चास्वावकमत् अतधर्होऽपि घाडोपशान्त्यै.
The chasta vagamat, adukapram there is a pause, okay? And that's why we broke it there. Okay. I thought we put a comma there, right?
Illa na podla. Okay.
Can somebody confirm? I thought we did, but
yes, we did. Yes.
Okay. My mistake.
Yeah. Okay. No worries.
Okay. Padatraya yadina mudito vischapainapi stushtet ityuktesmin varada bhavate dhatu kame tatoyam daityacharyaha tava khalu parikshatainas preranatam. Okay. Preranatam mamam devyam harirayamiti yaktameva bhabashe yachatyevam yadi sa bhagavan purnakamosmi soham dasyam yeva stiramiti vadan kavyashaptopi daityaha Vidyavalya nijadaitaya dattapadyaya tubhyam chitram sakalamaphi sa prapayat toya purvam nistandeham didi kulapatau tvaya shesharpanam tadyatavane mumuchurashaya सामरस पुष्पवर्षं दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः अवधीकृत्य
Vishwanda.
विश्वाण्डभाण्डन्.
Okay, and you just lost the tune. I think that was because on the Byatan Vane when you added, right? On the joined, I think you. So I'll just say those two lines. You don't have to repeat. But I think that's where I think you lost the tune a little bit, right?
Okay.
So Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Twayashesharpanam Tad Byatan Vane Mumuchurishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Next time I'll have practice it. Tvatpadagram nijapadaгаtam pundariko bhavosau kunditoyaihi asichat apunad yajjalam vishvalokan harshotkarshat subahunanrute kesarai utsavesmin Birim nignan bhuvanamachara jambavan bhaktishale.
Sorry, the first word is Bherim.
Bherim, okay.
Bherim.
Okay, Bherim. Tavadaitya suvanumati mrite Barturabdya yuddaha.
Bartur Arabd.
Okay. Oh, anga potroma, okay.
And the Bartur Arabd, or you can say the Bartur Arabd, then you can say it together.
Okay.
Or Bartur Arabd.
Barturarabda yuddaha devopetei bavadanucharaihi sangata bangamapan kalatmayam vasati puratho yadvashat pragjita smaha kim vo yuddaihi iti baligira tet patalamapuhu.
And the Yuddaihi irukliya. So in some books, because we are not stopping there, we join it with that iti, right? So the joining letter is a ra in that case. So in some books they automatically have the ra. So because if you don't have, just put a ra, so it becomes Yuddairiti.
Okay.
Yuddairiti. Okay.
Kimvo Yuddairiti baligira teta patalamapuhu. Paschairbaddham patagapatinam daityamuchairvadahi tati ekam dishamama padam kimna vishveshwarosi padam mudri pranaya bhagavan ityakampam vadantam prahladastum swayamupagato manayan nasta vitvam.
And the third line, Bhagavan ala Bhagavan.
Okay, Bhagavan.
Okay.
Okay. Darpochityai vihitamakilam daitya siddhosi punyaihi lokastestu trivida vijayi vasavatvam sapaschat matsayudyam bhajasa punarityanva grinva balim tvam. No, sorry. Punarityanva grinha balim tvam.
Balim tam.
Balimilya.
Balim tam.
Okay. Balim tam vispraisanta nitamakavaraha pahi vatalayesha. Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Very good. Okay. Lavanya, you want to go?
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Bali Vidvamsanam. Prityadyaitah tava tanumaha prekshanat sarvatapi tvam aradhyan najita rachayan nanjalim sanjagada mattah kim te samabhilashitam viprasunno vadatvam vittam bhaktam bhavanam avinavapi sarvam pradasye.
And Bhavanam Avani.
Bhavanam
Avani.
Bhavanam
அதே மாதிரி the second line is Tvam Aradhyan. Okay, not Tvam. This is Tvam. Okay.
Kamaksheenam baligiramupakarnyam karunyapurnopi asyotekam samayutumana daityavam prasamsan bhumin padatraya parimitam prarthayam asitvam sarvam dehi titu nigadite kasya hasyam navasyat.
So Lavanya, அந்த இடத்துல சில இடத்துல you are putting an extra ஆன்னு தோணுது. Like you said sarvam பின்ன காஸ்ய. It's sarvam kasya. So நீங்க பண்ணி Sanskrit or Tamil என்னது?
நான் English, நான் Sanskrit and English I'm shuttling. I think that's where I'm getting confused.
Sarvam dehi titu nigadite kasya hasya, not kasya. So and the a வந்து usually sometimes in English you don't know it's a or just a.
Sarvam dehi tu nigadite kasya hasyam navasyat vishvesham mam tripadam ihakim yachase balisasvam sarvam bhumin brano kimamune tyalapatvam sadrupyan yasmadarpat tripada paripurtya shamah shevapavadan bandham chasa vagamadu atadadarhopi gadhopasantyai.
இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி அந்த சர்வாம் செகண்ட் லைன் சர்வாம் அண்ட் அதே லைன்ல கிமமுனேத் யாலபத்வாம் again that extra. Okay.
पादत्रया यदि न मुदितो विस्तपैर्नापि तुष्येत् दित्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते दातुकामे ततोऽयम् दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमे एवा भभाषे याच्यत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यं येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यसप्तोऽपि दैत्यः विन्ध्यावल्या निजदयितया दत्तपाद्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रापयत्तोय पूर्वं निस्सन्देहं दितिकुलपतौ त्वय्यशेषार्पणं तद्व्यातवाने मुमुचुर्सय्यः समरः पुष्पवर्ष.
So tat vyathanvane mumuchur rishayas samarah pushpavarsham.
Mumuchur rishayah samarah pushpavarsham. Divyam rupam tavacha tadidam pastyatam vishwabhajam उच्चैरुच्चैहि अवधीकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डं त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीको भवोऽसौ पुण्डितो यैः असिचत् अपुनाद्य जलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोकर्षात् सुबहु ननृते खेचरैर् उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचर जाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिर्मृते भर्तुर आरभ्या युद्धाः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः संगता भंगमापन् कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वसात् प्राग्जित्तः समः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेत पातालमापुः.
The third line, pragjitas smaha.
Prajitasmaha. Okay. Prajitasmaha. पासैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवडीः वादीः तार्तीयकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणया भगवन् नित्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मान्यन्नस्तवित्ताम्.
And the third line, Bhagavan, after that we put the comma, right? So the next word starts with the E, Ityakampam.
Ityakampam. Okay. दर्पोचित्यै विहितमखिलं दैत्यसिद्धोऽसि पुण्यैः लोकस्तेस्तु त्रिविध विजयै वासवत्वं च पश्चात् मत्स्यायुजं भज च पुनर् इत्यान्वर्घ्नबलिं तं विप्रै सन्तानित मखवराः पाहि वातालयेश.
The third line, Punarityanva Grinha. Punarityanva Grinha. Okay. Okay, very good. So I think this chapter is a little bit of a trouble chapter because it is not long lines like the next 34, 35, and it is also not short lines like 32. It's kind of in between, right? And the tune is a little bit of a.
I have a question on the 7th.
Yeah.
7th paragraph. Harshot Harshat Subhahu Nandrute Kesaraihi, right? He unda.
So Kecharaihi is the right word. Kecharaihi Utsavesmen,
yeah.
Right? So like we said, if you're not saying the Visarga, if you're not pausing there, then we don't say the Visarga in between. You have to put a joining letter as Sandhi. So in that, the joining letter is a R in that case. Okay. So in some books, they automatically have Kecharair Utsavesmen. If you don't have it, if you just have a Visarga, then put that, right? So it becomes Kecharair Utsavesmen.
Okay.
Okay. But the actual word is Kecharaihi is the word.
So for Kesharaihi Utsavesmen sollama.
You general rule is you don't say it unless you stop at that line.
Okay.
Unless you stop at that point in the sentence. So anytime when we're stopping, we are putting the sandhi and we're saying. Otherwise, the only other time where you say that visarga is either at the end of the sentence or if it is followed by a ksha. Okay. Only in those two times you explicitly say the visarga. Otherwise, you just if you pause there, that's okay. Okay. All right, so we'll get started with 32. I see Kalpana, you are back on, so good to see you. Are you still in India? Can you be a student in this class or?
I'm still in India. Next week I'm back. I'll be missing next week's class because I'm traveling.
Okay, but can you be a student this week?
Yes, as long as my internet is okay.
Okay, I think it sounds good for now. So Anandji, I may have to move you to the next class if you don't mind, okay?
No problem.
Can I go second? Because I haven't practiced in a while.
Yeah, I think we're going to start the new one anyway, so.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So 32, I think we stopped at 6, right? So I'll say till 6.
These were the two for today.
Vani and Kalpana.
Okay.
I had a question. Ramesh, the Rajesh, the second line and the the one what you're starting, that is this 32nd Dashakam. And in that, the second line, the third line, because when in the last class, like when I was just looking, reviewing it, it said like Nidron Mukha Brahma Mukha or Mukha, because when you recited it said Mukha.
Oh, Mukhad. Mukhad.
Okay, because in the, okay, it is Mukhad.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Just so Purnima and Shubhadra are here from the Thursday batch for this class. And Jayashree and Narayani could not attend today, so they end up coming on Thursday. So just FYI. Okay, 30-second. Pura Hayagriva Mahasurena Shashtantarantodhyadakanda Kalpe Nidron Mukha Brahma Mukhat Vritnishu Vedeshwaditsa Kilamatsya Rupam Satya Vratasya Dhamiladi Bhartuhu Nadi Jale Tarpayatastadhani Karanjalo Sanjvalita Kritistwam Adrishyata Kaschana Balaminaha Kshiptam Jale Tvam Chakitam Vilokya Ninye Bupatrena Muniswageham Swalpairahopeh Kalashin Chakupam Vapim Saraschana Shishe Vibhotvam Yoga Prabhavat Bhavadaknyayeva Nitastatastvam Munina Payodhim Prishto Muna Kalpa Didrukshumenam Saptahamasveti Badannayasi Prapte Twadukte Hani Varidhara Pariplute Bhumitale Munindraham Saptarshibis Sardhamaparawarini Udgurnamana Sharanam Yayautvam Daram Twadadesha Karimavaptam Naurupini Maruruhustadhate Tatkampakam Preshu Chateshu Bhuyah Tomam Bhudera Virabhur Mahiyan. That's where we stopped last time. I know Shubhadra and Purnima, the other batch, we stopped at 7. So here we stopped at 6. So we'll get started with 7. Jasha Kritim Yojana Laksha Dhirgam Dhadhanamuchai Starate Jasam Tvam Niriksha Tushta Munayastwadupya Twatunga Shringe Taranim Bhabandhuhu. So like last time we saw how Satyavrata, right, he was told to come after 7 days, and then that Naimittika Pralayam was happening, which was the end of Brahma's one kalpa, and or the day of it. And so the entire universe, everything was getting flooded. So here, and then when the Saptarishis and Satyavrata were then out there and they were seeking refuge in you, you then appeared in the form of a fish or something like that. That's where we ended last time. So now they had this boat and they were going, like we said earlier, is we have to think of this not as them navigating through Earth no longer, because in that all the 14 worlds are destroyed, right? The regions are there, but all the creatures, entities are all destroyed. So we have to maybe take our imagination one plane above Earth. So that's why here Bhattaripat says this fish or something which is like a fish, which is going to guide you. That's how you take it, right? Something that is going to guide them through this. That was almost a lack of yojanas in width, Laksha Yojana. One yojana is 8 miles, right? So you can imagine that was the size of what was actually guiding them through it. So when you were all scared and you were wondering what was happening, then the sages and Satyavrata, they were very happy to see you come again, right, as a guide, and it was in the form that was that big too, because they are eventually going to go through the entire, all the 14 worlds, right? So you can't be a small fish or a small boat and go through the entire 14 worlds, right? So that's what is happening here. Jasha Kritim Yojana Laksha Dhirgam, comma, Dhadhanam Uchchais Tara Tejasam Tvam Nirikshya Tushta Munayas Twadupya, comma, Twat Tunga, double third, it and the third, Twat Tunga Shringe Taranim Bhabandhuhu. Jasha Kritim Yojana Laksha Dhirgam दधानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्ष्य तुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदुक्त्या त्वत्तुङ्गशृङ्गे तरणिं बबन्धुः।
जष्टाकृतिं योजनलक्षदीर्घां दधानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्षस्तुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदुक्त्या त्वत्तुङ्गशृङ्गे तरणीं बबन्धुः। जशाकृतिं योजनलक्षदीर्घां दधानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्ष्यतुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदुक्त्या तच्छृङ्गे तरणीं बबन्धुः।
जशाकृतिं योजनलक्षदीर्घां ददानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्ष्य तुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदुक्त्या त्वत्तुङ्गशृङ्गे तरणिं बबन्धुः। जशाकृतिं योजनलक्षदीर्घां दधानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्ष्य तुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदुक्त्या त्वत्तुङ्गशृङ्गे तरणिं बबन्धुः।
Answer 8. आकृष्टनौको मुनिमण्डलाय प्रदर्शयन् विश्वजगद्विभागान् संस्तूयमानो नृवरेण तेन ज्ञानं परं चोपदिशन्नचारीः. So like we said earlier, so now this fish or the Matsyavataram is now taking them and showing them the Muni Mandala, all the sages, is actually showing them Vishwa Jagat, it's showing them all the portions, all the worlds, right? Not just the earth, showing all the worlds to the sages. And then it eventually the Vishnu as Matsyavataram is then teaching Satyavrata, because Satyavrata is going to be the next Manu. He was teaching him Jnanam. He gave him the ultimate knowledge, because as Manu, as a ruler, he needs to understand everything about creation. He needs to understand how the Jivatma, how the Paramatma, all of that knowledge he has to get. So you incarnate that knowledge to Satyavrata along with the Saptarishis, and they all praised you. So, Akrishta Nauko Muni Mandalaya, comma, Pradarshayan Vishwa Jagat Vibhagan. Jagat Vibhagan. Samstuyamano Nrivarena Tena. So it's N and R, right? Nrivarena Tena, comma, Jnanam Param Chopa Dishanna Charihi. Akrishta Nauko Muni Mandalaya Pradarshayan Vishwa Jagat Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nrivarena Tena Jnanam Param Chopadishanacharihi.
Akrishtanauko Munimandalaya Pradashayan Vishwajagat Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nruvarena Tena Jnanam Varam Chopadishanacharihi. Akrishtano Nauko Munimandalaya Pradashayan Vishwajagat Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nruvarena Tena Jnanam Param Chopadishannacharihi.
Akrishtanauko Munimandalaya Pradarshayan Vishwajagat Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nrivarena Tena Jnanam Param Chopadishannacharihi. Akrishtanauko Munimandalaya Pradarshayan Vishwajagat Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nrivarena Tena Jnanam Param Chopadishannacharihi.
Stanza 9. Kalpavadau saptamunin purovate prastapya satyauvrata bhumipam tam वैवस्वताख्यं मनुमादधानः क्रोधाद्धयग्रीवमभिद्रुतो भूः. So kalpa avado, at the end of the pralaya, so eventually when the pralaya gets over, so now things have to come back to normal, right? So now Brahma has to come back again for his next day. Like we all go to work, Brahma's day starts and he has to start the creation, and everything has to be in the appropriate spot. So you establish the Sapta Muni, the Sapta Rishis, they all started doing their responsibilities, their duties. You then establish Prastapya Satyavrata, you established him as the next Manu. So he is the Vaivaswata Manu. So that's where the current Manu, when we do the Sankalpam, when we say Vaivaswata Manvantare, it means he is the current Manu, Vaivaswata Manu. His original name is Satyavrata, and Vaivaswata Manu means son of Bivaswan. Bivaswan means son, S-U-N, son. So he's the S-O-N son of the S-U-N son. So that's why he's Vaivaswata. So you establish him as the Manu because you already granted him all the knowledge upfront in the previous stanza. So he now knows how to rule and he has to understand everything as well, right? But you do that, and then Krodha Hayagrivam Abhi. So then you attack Hayagriva. Now, like we said earlier, Vedas were never written. So it is nothing like somebody can steal Vedas from Brahma, right? It cannot be possible because it was never written. And so Anala, when in the first stanza itself, when they say that, it means that Brahma is lost the knowledge that he had at the end of his kalpa. So when he's going to sleep and there's no creation happening, that means he's lost all the knowledge. That's what it means. When they say Vedas are stolen, it means the knowledge is lost. So you can think of this Hayagriva as ignorance or lack of knowledge or something like that, right? So you then, as Matsyavataram, you went and defeated Hayagriva, means you eradicated or you eliminated that ignorance, is what it's kind of telling here, right? So Kalpavadhau Sapta Munin Purovatir, comma, Prastapya Satyauvrata Bhumipam Tam Vaivaswathakyam Manum Adadhanaha. Manum Adadhanaha, you can say, or Manum Adadhanaha, comma, Krodhat Dhayagriva. So it's actually, if you look at it, it is two, it's Krodhat plus Hayagriva, because Hayagriva was the Asura who was attacking, right? But when you put that it and her and all that together, it's become the double the. That's why in your books you'll see Krodha Dhayagriva, it will say, right? That's just because of the Sandhi rule. So Krodha Dhayagrivam Abhidruto Bhuhu. But if you split it, it becomes Krodhat Hayagriva. These are the two words there.
Rajesh, one question. Prastapya Satyavrata Bhumipam Tvam or Satyauvrata?
Satya. Satyavrata Bhumipam Tam.
Yeah,
not Tam.
Thank you.
Kalpavadhau Saptamunin Purovate Prastapya Satyavrata Bhumipam Tam Vaivaswatakyam Manumadadhanaha Krodhadhayagrivam Abhidruto Bhuhum.
Kalpavadhau Saptamunin Purovat Prastapya Satyavrata Bhumipam Tam Vaivaswatakyam Manumadadhanaha Krodhadhayagriva Mabhidruto Bhuhu. Kalpavadhau Saptamunin Purovat Prastapya Satyavrata Bhumipam Tam Vaivaswatakyam Manumadadhanaha Krodhadhayagriva Mabhidruto Bhuhu.
There, so one you can say Krodhadhayagrivam Abhidruto Bhuhu.
So should we break it or no?
If you don't have to break it, but I think the way you said now was Krodhadhayagriva, and then you paused.
Oh, okay.
And then you said Mabhidruto Bhuhu. So if you don't pause, you can say the whole thing together like that. But if you pause, then pause it at that end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Krodhadhayagriva Mabhidruto Bhuhu.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Kalpavadhau Saptamunin Purovat प्रस्ताप्य सत्यव्रतभूमिपं तं वैवस्वताख्यम् अनुमादधानः क्रोधादयग्रीवमभिद्रुतो भूः कल्पावधौ सप्तमुनीन् पुरोवत् प्रस्ताप्य सत्यव्रतभूमिपं तं वैवस्वताख्यम् अनुमादधानः क्रोधादयग्रीवमभिद्रुतो भूः.
Answer 10. स्वतुङ्गशृङ्गक्षतवक्षसं तं निपात्य दैत्यं निगमान् गृहीत्वा विरिञ्चये प्रीतहृदे दधानः प्रभञ्जनागारपते प्रभायाः. So like I said earlier, see, he attacks Hayagriva or ignorance or lack of knowledge in the previous stanza. So here you eliminate that and then you hand over the knowledge to Brahma. That's what it is saying here. And like we had discussed last time also, earlier in Narayanam, in one of the chapters, it comes as to what happens to Brahma at the beginning of the Kalpa, right? Where Brahma comes out of the lotus and then he wonders, he doesn't have any information, right? So and then he's told to meditate. And then when he meditates for almost one Kalpa, when he meditates, then he remembers, he gets the knowledge of the Vedas, which he had lost previously. So that is again coming back here, and you'll get that connection when you learn the other chapter. So he gets that information back, and Brahma is now able to begin his process of creation. So you hand it over to Brahma, you get that knowledge, and Preeta Hriday, and Brahma is happy because of that. So Prabhanja Nagarapate. Prabhanjana means it's referring to air, Vayu. So Prabhanja, like we said earlier, sometimes Bhartripat says, oh, Vayu, or sometimes he say Guru, right? Guru or Vayu, he keeps changing it. In this case, he's saying it's Vayu. And so Prabhanjana means Vayu. So, oh, Lord of Guru Vayu, you help Brahma and you help with all these Satyavrata and everyone. Similarly, please help me out, eradicate the ailments I have as well. And the interesting thing is this Prabhanjana. I don't know if Anandji knows, but Prabhanjana is one of the Ayurvedic oil which is used to, which is actually applied to the idol of Krishna in Guruvayur. Prabhanjana oil. So that you can buy that Ayurvedic oil. It is for rheumatoid arthritis and other things, right? It is to help eliminate things which are caused because of Vayu. So that is also the name of the oil Prabhanjana, because Prabhanjana means just air.
Rajeshji, so then Brahma loses the knowledge of Vedas every time a Kalpa is in.
So there are two kinds of things, right? Like the Naimittika Pralaya, which is at the end of one Kalpa, one day of Brahma. At the end of it, he loses all the information, and then nothing happens for one Kalpa, which is his night, right? And then when he wakes up, and then he comes out, and then he's sitting, and then he sees himself alone in the universe, right? In the whole thing. And then he has absolutely no information, right? And he wonders where he has come from, and he looks around, and then he goes looking for the source, because he knows if he is there, somebody else should have also been there. So he goes looking for that source, and then he goes half Kalpa, he travels down, he doesn't find, then half Kalpa, he comes back up eventually, right? And then he hears a message, he again says messaging, you meditate. So he then meditates for almost 1000 Chaturyugas or something, some number there. And then he gets the knowledge. That is after every Kalpa that happens, right? And that is the Naimittika Pralaya, where he regains the knowledge. That is different. While at the 100 Brahma years are over and the new Brahma comes, that Brahma first time, he gets the knowledge for the first time. So there's a slight difference there, right? The first time he gets the knowledge officially for the first time. Then every day, every Kalpa, when he loses the knowledge, he then regains the knowledge back, right? So that's what is happening. So that's why here they're saying you hand over the knowledge back to Brahma, because he needs to have that knowledge to begin the process. And then the same process repeats, right? He has to have the Manu, and then all the other people then come along with it, right? And the same process repeats.
So every time a new Brahma comes, then Bhagavan has to take an incarnation to impart the knowledge.
That is the first this thing, right? When he has to come and then officially teach the Vedas to Brahma itself, right? So that time also there is in I think chapter 7 or 6 or something like that, he'll be even there, Brahma is wanting, and he hears one sound saying tapaha, tapaha, he hears, which means it says meditate and meditate. So he keeps meditating, and then eventually he starts getting the knowledge for the first time. So all of that is there in some of the earlier chapters in the process of creation and what happens, and all of that is earlier.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, did we do? Oh, we haven't done this. Okay. Swa tunga shringa kshata vakshasam tam, comma, nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye prita hrude dadhanaha, comma, prabhanjanagara. So it's like prabhanjana agara, two different words there. So you say that whole thing together. Prabhanjanagara pate prapayaha. Swatunga shringa kshatavakshasam tam nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye prita hrude dadhanaha prabhanjanagara pate prapayaha.
Swatunga shringa kshatavakshasam tam nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye prita hrude dadhanaha prabhanjanagarapate prapayaha. Swatunga shringa kshatavakshasam tam nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye pritya hrude dadhanaha prabhanjanagarapate papayaha.
Manigari, you said
Prapayaha.
you said pritya, it's prita, not yada. Prita hrude.
Which line is that?
Third line. Virinchaye prita.
Yeah, okay. Virinchaye prita hrude dadanaha.
Correct.
Swatunga.
Sorry, go ahead.
Swatunga shunga kshatavakshasam tam nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye prita hrude dadanaha prabhanjanagarapate prapayaha. Swatunga shunga kshatavakshasam tam nipatya daityam nigaman grihitva virinchaye prita hrude dadanaha prabhanjanagarapate prapayaha.
Rajeshri, in the first line,
yeah,
Swadunga, is it Sringa or Sring? My book has Sring.
Shringa.
Sringa, okay.
Shringa.
Thank you.
Okay, so that completes that. So now we'll go to 34 and 35. So this 34 and 35 are definitely very interesting, very, it's a little bit tough chapter, but I can guarantee you that once you learn it thoroughly, you'll absolutely enjoy chanting that, because it's like the entire Ramayana is condensed into 2 dasakams, all the way from Dasharatha going and doing the Putra Kameshti Yajnam to get the kids, to Rama finally getting into Sarayu river. Everything is captured in 2 chapters, right? And so you can imagine that it is going to be a little tough, because there's a lot of compound words and things which are happening there to kind of explain. Multiple things get explained in one stanza. And I have multiple people have come and told me that they absolutely enjoy this chapter, these 2 chapters to chant. When you chant it, you can totally see the difference, right? This is kind of once you get thorough with it, right? And then you chant, you'll absolutely enjoy this. So anyway, so that's why I sent the meaning ahead of time, because I kind of wanted to take time to go through this, right? In the chapter itself. So stanza 1. Girvanheratyamano dashamukha nidanam kosale svrishya shringhe putrihyamishtimishtva dadushi dasharata shmabrite payasagryam tatbhuktya tatpurandhrishwapi tisushu samham jata garbhasu jato ramastvam lakshmanena swayamata bharatenapi shatrughna namna. Girvanair artyamano, if you want to break it, Girvanair artyamano dasha mukha nidhanam, comma, kosalesh. So the next word, you can't quite break it. So you have to say the whole word Koshalesh Vrishya Shringe, because it's Koshaleshu Rishi. It's Rishi is getting merged with that verb. So that's why it's Koshalesh Vrishya Shringe.
Rajesh ji, is it Girvanair Arthyamano or Girvanair Girvanair Arthyamano, right?
Yeah, it's longi. Girvanair Artyamano. Okay. So this two irs coming. Girvanair. Two ir.
Yeah. Can we just continuously say Girvanair Arthyamano?
Oh, yeah, you can say it together, yes.
Okay.
Koshalesh Vrishya Shringe, comma. Next word, if you want to break it, you can break it into three parts. Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva. Three words there, right? Or you can say the Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva together as well. Comma.
Rajesh, in bookla வந்து இந்த விஸ்வசங்கேக் வந்து பக்கத்துல ஒரு டேஷ் போட்டிருக்கா. So is it அது வந்து plus sign மாதிரி கிடையாது இல்லையா?
At the end of that
ஆமா, கோலேஸ்வர் விஸ்வசங்கேக் வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் பக்கத்துல ஒரு டேஷ் போட்டிருக்கா. அதுக்கப்புறம் புத்ரியாமேஷ்டி அப்படின்னு அப்புறம் தான் வருது.
Okay. Even mine also, the way I learned it, there's no need to join that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva, comma, Dadushi Dasharatha Shmabrite Payasagryam. So because most of you know Ramayana, at certain places when you get the names and places, you should be able to associate what is happening there, right? So Girvanhiratyamano Dashamukha Nidanam Kosalesh Vrishya Shringe Putriyamishtimeštva Dhadushi Dasharatha Shmabrite Payasagryam.
गीर्वाणेर अर्त्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोशलेर्ऋष्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिम् इष्ट्वदधुषि.
Ishtva, after Ishtva there's a comma. Putriyamishtimeštva.
पुत्रीयामिष्टिम् इष्ट्वा दधुषि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसाग्रं गीर्वाणैरत्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोशलेर्ऋष्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा दधुषि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम्.
गीर्वाणैरत्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेश्वस्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृत्ये पायसाघ्र्यम्. Mabrite. Okay.
Shmabrite, yeah.
So Dasharatha-Shmabrite.
Yeah, Dasharatha is one word. Shmabrite is another word. Yeah.
Okay. Girvanairathyamano Dashamukha-Nidanam Kosaleshvrasya Shringe Putriyamishtimishtva Dadushi Dasharatha-Kshmamabrite Payasagryam.
You're saying an extra ma, Kalpana. You're saying shmama, you're saying.
Dasharatha-Kshmabrite. Okay, I'll say it again.
No, it's okay.
Girvan. Okay.
You got it. Tad bhuktya tat purandrishwapi. Drishwapi, comma, tisrushu samam jata garbhasu jato, comma, ramastvam lakshmanena, comma, swayamata bharatenapi shatrugna namna. Tat bhuktya tat purandrishwapi tisrushu samam jata garbhasu jato ramastvam lakshmanena swayamata bharatenapi shatrugna namna. Vani, you're on mute.
Sorry. Can you say one more time the first line?
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जातगर्भासु जातो.
Okay. तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तसृषु समं तिसृषु समं गर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना. तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं गर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना.
त्वद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जातगर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना. तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जातगर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना.
कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताद्वखेदः नृणां त्राणाय भानैः मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वा स्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्. So Kodandi, long E, Kodandi, Kaushikasya Kratuvaram avitum, comma, Lakshmane Nanu Yato, comma, Yato Bhus Tata Vacha, comma, Muni Khatitha Manu Dvandva Shantadva Khedaha. Okay, that's an easy split there. Kodandhi Kaushikasya Kratuvaram avitum Lakshmanenanu yato bhustata vacha munikatita manu dvandva shantadva khedaha.
Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitum Lakshmanenanu yato bhustata munikatita manudvandva shantadvakedaha. Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitum Lakshmanenanu yato bhustata vacha munikatita manudvandya shantyadvakedaha. Dvandva shantyadvakedaha.
You said that ya there, shantadva.
Shantadva. Yeah.
Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitum Lakshmanenanu yato bhustata vacha munikadita manudvandva shantadvakedaha. Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitum Lakshmanenanu yato bhustata vacha munikadita manudvandva shantadvakedaha.
Nrinam Tranaya Banaihi. So on top of that mu or ma, if you have a ir, remove that, put a visarga Banaihi, and then put a comma there. So Nrinam Tranaya Banaihi, comma. Muni Vachana Balat. It Balat Tatakam. So it and ta. Balat Tatakam Patayitva, comma. Labdva smad. one word, labdvasmat astrajalam. If you want to break it, or you can say the whole word together. If you are breaking it, it becomes labdvasmat astrajalam, comma, muni vanam agamo, muni vanam agamo, deva siddhashram. Siddhashram is the name of the ashrama. So siddhashram akyam.
Rajesh, can you please repeat it again, if you don't mind?
Yeah.
Thank
Nrinam tranaya banaihi, comma, muni vachana balat tatakam patayitva labdvasmat astrajalam, comma, muni vanam agamo deva siddhashram akyam. Nrinam tranaya banaihi muni vachana bala tatakam patayitva labdvasmadastrajalam munivanamagamo deva siddhashramakyam.
Rajesh,
Go ahead, Niji.
Labdasmadastrajalam. Is it a correct or?
Yeah, labdvas, you can say it together as well. Labdvasmadastrajalam. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Nunam tranaya banaihi. Nunam tranaya banaihi. Munivachana bala tatakam patayitva bhatva asmat dastrajalam munivanamagamo devasiddhashramakyam.
Only that first line, balat, with strength, balat tatakam.
Yeah.
Munivachana balat tatakam. Then the last name, labdva. The first letter is labdva. Okay.
Nunam tranaya banaihi munivachana balat tatakam patayitva labdvasmat shastraja jalam muni vanamagamo devasiddhamshaya makyam.
Siddhashram. This was no im in the beginning there. Siddhashram. Yeah.
Siddhashramakyam.
Correct.
இங்க வந்து அஷ்டஜாலம் சொல்லணுமா? How should we can say it
You
continuously?
can say labdvasmat astrajalam is one way. Or you say labdvasmat astrajalam together. That's also fine. If you're able to say it together, you can say it together.
Nrinam tranaya banaihi munivachana bala tatakam patayitva labdvasmadastrajalam munivanamagamo devasiddhashramakyam. Nrinam tranaya banaihi munivachana bala tatakam patayitva labdvasmadastrajalam munivanamagamo devasiddhashramakyam.
Stanza 3. Maricham dravayitva makashirasi sharaihi anyaraksham sinignan kalyam kurvanna halyam patipadarajasa prapya vaideha geham bhindanaschandrachudham dhanuh avanisutaam indirameva labdva rajyam pratishthatastum tribirapicha samam bhratruvirai sadharai. So again, multiple things happening here. I don't want to get into the details of the story. You can listen to the MP3. But he encounters Maricha, but doesn't kill Maricha in this case because he's killed later on. But he drives Maricha away. Then Ahalya is then given salvation by, because of the dust of your feet, right? Ahalya is given salvation. And then you go to Vaideha Geham. Vaideha Geham means the house of Vaidehi, Videha. So he goes to the land of Sita, Videha, and then you break the bow and everything, all of that, you get married, and your brothers also get married, and you all, along with your brothers, you come back home. So all of that is said in this one thing. So Maricham Dravayitva Makha Shirasi Sharaihi. So that ra that you have there, first remove that, put a visarga and a comma, Sharaihi. Next one starts with the a. Anya Rakshamsi Nignan, comma, Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam. It's Kurvan plus Ahalyam, but again in and a, so double na. So Kurvanna Halyam Pati Padarajasa, comma, Prapya Vaideha Geham. Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anyarekshamsi Nignan Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam Pati Padarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham.
Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Rakshamsi Nignan Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam Patipadarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham.
Kurvanna Halyam, long a.
Kurvanna Halyam.
Yeah.
Okay. Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anyarakshamsi Nignan Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam Patipadarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham.
Rajesh, there's a pause after Mukha Shirasi Sharaihi.
Yeah, that's the first.
Okay. Okay.
Sharaihi, and then at the end of that line.
Okay, sure. Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anyarekshamsi Nignan Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam Padi Padarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham.
Kalpana, I think sorry, one correction. So I think the way you said it was you ended that Sharaihi as if it was end of that line, the way you're
okay.
with the tune, right? So I think if you try to say the whole thing together, right? Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anyarekshamsi Nignan.
Okay. Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anyarekshamsi Nignan Kalyam Kurvanna Halyam Padi Padarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham. Should I say it again?
No, I think you got it. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Bindanash. If you have Bindanaha by chance, if any book has Bindanaha and Chandra Chudam, then the joining letter is Ish. Okay, before Cha, they replace the Visarga with a Ish. Some books automatically have that is. So Bindanash Chandra Chudam Dhanuhu. So that ra that is there, replace it with the Visarga first. Dhanuhu, comma. Then you put a A. Next line starts with a A. Avani Sutam. Avani means earth. Avani Sutam means daughter of earth. So Sita. So Avani Sutam Indiram Eva Labdva. If you want to break it. So Avani Sutam Indiram Eva Labdva. You can say it together as well. So Avani Sutam Indiram Eva Labdva, comma. Rajyam Pratishthatastvam, comma. Tribhirapi cha samam Bratru Virais Sadharaihi. Bhindanas Chandra Chudham Dhanuhu Avani Sutam Indirameva Labdhva Rajyam Pratishthatastum Tribhirapi cha samam Bratru Virais Sadharaihi.
And the samam kapro you have a comma or it's going to be
No comma. We can continue. Yeah.
Bindanash Chandra Chudam Dhanuhu Avani Sutam Indirameva Labdva Rajyam तस्त्वं
तास्त्वं
हास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैस्तदारैः भिन्दानश्चन्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनिसुताम् इन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैस्तदारैः
बिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनिसुताम् इन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः बिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनिसुताम् इन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः
आरुन्धाने रुषान्धे भृगुकुलतिलके संक्रमय्य स्वतेजो याते यातोऽस्य योध्यां सुखमिह निवसन् कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते शत्रुघ्नेनैकधातो गतवति भरते मातुलस्यादिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयादीशपुत्र्या. So this is where Bhrigukula Tilake means one who is the most famous in the clan of Bhrigus, which is Parashurama. So which is going to come, we're going to see it in the 36th chapter, Parashurama Avatar. So where that's where Parashurama is in that spree, right, where he's eliminating all the Kshatriyas. Eventually he comes to Ayodhya, and Ayodhya he then comes to, because he also wants to get rid of Dasharatha. He was getting rid of all the Kshatriyas. At the time he comes to Rama, and then he realizes that Rama is a bigger superpower than him. So right, so the question that comes is that Parashurama is also an avataram of Vishnu. Then how come like he has to surrender to Rama, right, in this case? So like we discussed this, there are several avatarams where God has given some portion. He's come in some form or another. And we only talk about 10. It's like the top 10 list, right? It's only the top 10 we are talking about. But even in the top 10, there are some of them are like Leela. He comes for a specific purpose, like what we saw Kurma Avataram. Vandar, he finished his job, he left. That was Kurma Avataram. Parashurama Avataram, when he stayed through for a really long period of time, he was not in the full strength of the Lord was not there. Think of it as only one small portion, or like a portion of the strength came in the form of Parashurama, right? There are only two avatarams which are Purna avatarams, which are Rama avataram and Krishna avataram, or the Purna avatarams. So while you cannot rank or prioritize, you can technically say Rama is stronger than Parashurama, because Rama is a Purna avataram and Parashurama is not a Purna avataram. That's why in this case Parashurama actually surrenders to Rama, and then he gives away, and because the bow that Parashurama has, which is Shiva's bow, Rama breaks it. So Parashurama then figures that, he's stronger and he surrenders. So that's what is happening here. And of course, Krishna, and we'll see a lot more of Krishna coming later. They say Krishnasya Bhagavan Swayam, the God himself came as Krishna. So it was not even like an avataram, it is the God himself, right? So in case of Krishna. Anyway, so Arundhane Rushanthe, comma, Bhrigukula Tilake, comma again, Sankramaya Swatejo, comma, Yate Yatosya Yodhyam. So that is together because it is Yata Asi Ayodhyam, three different words. So remember the word Ayodhya if you want to remember it for the last portion of it. So Yatosya Yodhyam, comma, Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kanta Murte. Arundhane Rushanthe Bhrigukula Tilake Sankramaya Swatejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kanta Murte.
Arundhe Arundhane Rushanthe Bhrigukulatilake Sankramaya Swatejo Yate Yato Swayodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते आरुन्धाने रुषान्धे भृगुकुलतिलके सङ्क्रमय्यस्त्वजे
Swatejo. Swatejo.
संक्रमयस्त्वतेजो याते यातो स्वयोध्यां सुखमिह निवसन् कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते.
But in the second line, you're saying yato swa yodhyam. You're saying yato sya yodhyam.
Okay. याते यातोस्य योध्यां.
Yeah.
आरुन्धाने रुषान्धे भृगकुलतिलके सङ्क्रमय्यस्वतेजो याते यातोऽस्य योध्यां सुखमिह निवसन् कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते आरुन्धाने रुषान्धे भृगुकुलतिलके सङ्क्रमय्यस्वतेजो याते यातोऽस्य योध्यां सुखमिह निवसन् कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते.
Shatrughne naika dhatho. One word there. Shatrughne naika dhatho. Gatavati bharate, comma. Matulasyadhi vasam. Again, one word. Matulasyadhi vasam, comma. Tata Rabdobhishekaha. Again, one word. Tata Rabdobhishekaha. Is, if you have that is, remove that is and put a visarga there and a comma. So Tata Rabdobhishekaha, comma. Tava Kila Bihataha is there. So put that ih to join. Bihatah Kekayadisha Putriya. So you know kind of what is happening here. They speak about Bharata, Shatrughna going to Matulasyadi Vasam, going to their maternal parents' house. And Tata means father, Abhishekaha. So he wants to coronate Rama. And then Kekayadisha Putriya. Kekayadisha is the land of Kekaya. So Kekayadisha Putriya is Kaikeyi, is the one who is the Putriya, daughter of the land of Kekaya.
Rajesh, small question. Tava kila vihata, adukku vandu anga comma irka? It's not there.
Because there's no comma, we are putting the joining letter ich or h, right? So vihata Kekaya. So you don't have to pause there.
Okay.
Shatrughne naikadhato gatavati bharate matulasyadhivasam tatarabdhobhishekah tava kila vihatah kekaya disha putriya.
शत्रुघ्ने नैकदाधो गतवति भरते मातुलस्याधिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या. शत्रुघ्ने नैकदाथो गतवति भरते मातुलस्याधिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या.
शत्रुघ्नेनैकदाथो गतवति भरते मातुलस्यादिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या. शत्रुघ्नेनैकदाथो गतवति भरते मातुलस्याधिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या.
See if we can get a couple more done today. Stanza 5. Tatopyayatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha paura narudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jata chiradhari nava santirya gangham adipadavi punastambharatvajamarate natva tadbhakya hetoh Atisukama-vasas-chitrakote girindre. Here is where Rama is going to the forest and everything, right? So Tatoktya Yatu Kamo Vanam. So that ma that is there, we'll first make it a im and then a comma, Vanam. Then the next one will start with a a. Anuja. Anuja means younger brother. Anuja Vadu Samyutash. So again, if you have Samyutaha, if you have by any chance, put a ish there to join it. Otherwise, most books already have it. Samyutash Chapa Dharaha, comma. Paura Narudhya Marge, comma, which means the people of Ayodhya came all the way up to him, right? On the path they came, and he said no to the people of Ayodhya, not to follow him. So, comma, Guha Nilaya Gataha. That is there, remove it and put a visarga and a comma. You camped at Guha's house. So, Guha Nilaya Gataha, comma, Tvam Jatachira Dhari. Tatoktya Yatu Kamo Vanam Anujavadhu Samyutaschapadharaha Pauranarudhya Marge Guhanilaya Gataha Tvam Jata Chiradhari.
Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha Pauranarudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jatachiradhari. Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha Pauranarudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jatachiradhari.
Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu sorry, I'll say it again. Yes. Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha Pauranarudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jatachiradhari. Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha Pauranarudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jatachiradhari.
Nava Santirya Gangam. So im, make it a im and then a comma. So Gangam, comma. Adi Padavi Punas Tam Bharadwajam Arat. Put a it at the end of that line in the comma. Bharadwaja. Remember the word Bharadwaja there. Bharadwajam Arat, comma. Next line, if you have a double na, you can remove one of that na out. So it becomes Natva Tadvakya Hetoho. So that ra that is there, you remove that ra. First put a visarga, Hetoho, comma. So Natva Tadvakya Hetoho. Next one starts with the a. Ati Sukama Vasaha. If you have, put a ish. Otherwise, most books have that. So Ati Sukama Vasash Chitrakute Girindre. Nava Santirya Gangam Adipadavi Punastam Bharadvajamarat Natva Tadvakya Hetoho Ati Sukama Vasash Chitrakute Girindre.
Rajeshji, Adipadavi Punas Tam or Tvam?
Tam. Yeah, I think some books had Tvam, but yeah, you can change it. It's Tam there.
Thank you, Rajesh.
And the first line, Bharadwajam Araha. Is it Araha or
Arat, it.
Okay, Araha.
Because the double na that is there, we put one, moved one up. So Arat.
Nava Santirya Gangam Atipadavi Purastam Punastam Bharadwajamarat Natva तद्वाक्यहेतोः अतिसुखमवसच्चित्रकूटे गिरीन्द्रे नावासन्तीर्य गङ्गाम् पुनस्तं भारद्वाजमारात् नत्वा तद्वाक्यहेतोः अतिसुखमवश्चित्रकूटे गिरीन्द्रे
Vasash. Atisukam vasash.
अतिसुखमवशश्चित्र
नावासन्तीर्य गङ्गाम् अधिपदविपुनस्तं भरद्वाजमारात् नत्वा तद्वाक्यहेतोः अतिसुखमवश्चित्रकूटे गिरीन्द्रे नावासन्तीर्य गङ्गाम् अधिपदविपुनस्तं भरद्वाजमारात् नत्वा तद्वाक्यहेतो अतिसुखमवश्चित्रकूटे गिरीन्द्रे.
Even that atisukam vasash.
Oh, vasash. Okay. Atisukhamavashchitrakote girindre.
No. Atisukam vasash.
Vasash.
Yes. Vasash. Vasash.
Atisukhamavasash.
Yes.
Okay.
Stanza 6. Last one. We'll stop after this. Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukhat swargayatam swatatam tapto dadvambu tasmai niradita bharate padukam medihim cha atrim natva tagatva vanamati vipulam dandakam chandakayam hatva dhaityam viradham sugati makalayascharuboshara bhangim Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu, comma, bharata mukhat swarga yatam swatatam, comma, tapto dadvambu tasmai, comma, nidhadhita bharate padukam Medinim cha Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukhat swargayatam swatatam tapto dhatvam bhutasmai nidadhita bharate padukam medihim cha
Shrutva putrarti khinnam Khalu Bharatamukhat.
Khalu, after Khalu, it's a pause. Khalu
Bharatamukhat Swargayatam Swatatam Tapto Tatvambu Tasmai Nidadhita Bharate Padukam cha Shrutva Putrarthi Kinnam Khalu Bharatamukhat Swargayatam Swatatam Tapto Tatvambhutasmai Nidadhita Bharate Padukam Medinim cha
Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukhat swargayutam swatatam sarvayatam swatatam tapto tadvambu tasmai nidadita bharate padukam medinim cha Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukhat swargayatam swatatam tapto tadvambu tasmai Nidadita bharate padukam medinim cha
Atrim natvata gatva, comma, vanamati vipulam dandakam chandakayam, comma, hatva daityam viradham, comma, sugatim akalayash. Sugatim akalayash, you can say it, or if you want to break it, sugatim akalayash charu boho. If you have it, put a ish to join. Bosh Sharabhangim. Sharabhangim is the name of a rishi. So Charu Bosh Sharabhangim. Atrim Natva Tagatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugati Makalayas Charu Bosh Sharabhangim.
Atrim Natva Tagatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugatim Akalayascharu Bhoshchara Bhangim Atrim Natva Tagatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugatim Akalayascharu Bhoshchara Bhangim.
Atrim Natva Thagatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugati Makalayascharu Bhosharabhangim. Atrim Natva Thagatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugati Makalayascharu Bhosharabhangim.
Rajesh, you are in mute. You're on mute.
Oh, sorry. I said, okay, we'll stop the class here at 6 and we'll wrap it up here. Om Sandha Bandhava Bodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punaruru Purushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavat Bhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Janaha Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karohi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana-heti Samarpayami. Thank you, everyone. Just one quick announcement. So, I don't know how many of you knew, but Anandji and all had come. So, in May, actually, we are done like a 50 chapter Parayanam at the Grace Lake Temple here, right? That's because one of the first batches, they had completed 50 chapters. So we kind of wanted to complete that milestone with a 50 chapter Parayanam. So now the temple asked us to do another Parayanam for Krishna Jayanti, which is coming on August 30th. Is a Monday. That's when Krishna Jayanti is. So 29th Sunday night is when they're technically celebrated. But they want us to do the Parayanam on 28th Saturday, because if we did the Parayanam on Sunday morning, they fear that everybody will come in the morning and nobody will come back at night. So that's why we are doing the Parayanam on 28th Saturday. So that first batch would have finished 75 chapters by then. So we are planning to do a 75 chapter Parayanam that will take about 6.5 hours. Okay, we would have finished this batch, and the Thursday batch would have finished 20 chapters. We would have finished our 20 chapters by then. Right? So of course you're all welcome to join, but I can understand you may not be able to stay for 6 hours. I get that. But if you are going to be coming, and we have time to figure it out, right? If you are going to be coming, and if you are going to be there for certain portions of the time, I can assign you all some chapters from this for you to lead. So the way we typically did last time was everybody's chanting, but there will be one lead person on the mic for every 2-3 chapters or one chapter, right? So if I assign Vani 34, then she'll be leading 34, but everybody else also will be chanting. So depending on who is going to be coming and whether you're going to stay for the whole thing or stay only for the first 1 hour, whatever chapters we have learned, I'll divvy that between this group and the Thursday group. If everybody comes, then we may not have enough chapters to distribute, but we'll figure it out at that time. But that's okay. But you all are still welcome to come. And
are you going to put some Google sheet or something where we can play with it?
So we did that. Vijay knows that because he was also there last. You were there briefly, right? So we'll do a Google sheet and everything for prasadam and sponsorship and the chapter. We'll do all that stuff over the next few weeks, right? I just wanted to at least save the date. So Revati, like, if you all want to come from St. Louis, I don't know if Danya is going to come, right? So you can sync up with Danya. This Aarti from the other batch was also from St. Louis, right? So Sri Vidya is also there from St. Louis. So yeah.
If they all come, I can come.
Yeah. So I think if anybody wants to at least block the date for August 28th for now, right?
Okay.
And I just checked and we'll be done with all our 20 chapters by then. I don't know if we'll be able to finish the Narayana Kavacham also by then, but we'll see. But if we can, then it will be a good break, right? We'll finish it and then we can do the Parayanam there at the temple.
Rajesh, I would like to do Parayanam. You can assign me any of the Dashakas.
Yeah. So, yeah, we'll once we'll start putting the sheet together first to get an RSVP of who all are coming and all that stuff, and then we'll
Rajesh, you can count me in, Rajesh. I'll be there.
no problem. Okay, I'm expecting all of you anyway. So
So August 28th, right? August 28th.
August 28th, Saturday, we'll start it early in the morning at this point. That's the plan as of right now. Start at 7 or something like that.
Oh.
Go till 1 and wrap it up with a lunch. So
Okay, thank you.
okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a good weekend.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Rajesh.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.